Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Memu Play is one of the most powerful and popular Android emulators for PC. Now if you want to run Android apps and games on your laptop or PC, Memu Play might just be the emulator you've been looking for. Before we start with the installation and setup, let's quickly go through what makes Memu Play so good, and why so many gamers prefer it. It is designed to run heavy games like PUBG Mobile, Free Fire and Call of Duty Mobile with stable FPS. It allows you to assign your own custom controls for games. For shooting games, you can map keyboard and mouse controls to get a true PC gaming experience. It supports both Intel and AMD processors and runs well even on mid-range systems. If you prefer controllers over keyboard and mouse, Memu Play works seamlessly with most USB and Bluetooth gamepads. It is perfect for streamers or content creators who want to record gameplay or tutorials directly from the emulator. So as you can see, Memu Play isn't just another emulator, it's a complete Android experience on PC with gamer-friendly features, performance optimization and developer options. But before we continue, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps our channel and keeps you updated with the latest tech tutorials. Alright, let's move on and see how to download, install and set up Memu Play. First, click on the first link in the description, and you will come to this website. Here, scroll all the way down and you will find this button. Click on it, it will send you to official website of Mumu emulator. Click on the download button. The installer is lightweight, usually around 137 megabytes. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. After installation, Mumu Play will launch automatically. The first boot may take a little while as it sets everything up. Once installed, you will see an interface just like an Android device. You will find some apps like Play Store, Settings, Multi-Instance Manager, etc. To install apps, just open the Play Store, search your app and install it. To install APK files manually, simply drag and drop them into the emulator window. If you're a gamer, open the key mapping tool to customize your keyboard and mouse layout exactly how you like it. So that's everything you need to know about Memu Play. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.